Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Always I'm uploading new updates about background verification, and now there is a new and amazing update in background verification. We know people are doing the background verification based on UA number, Form 26AS, Form 16 and bank statement. So these are all digital parameter. They will find digital association between you and the organization, based on which they may do the quick background verification because the information data available in cloud. So based on which they will do the background verification immediately. So nowadays there is a new system implemented based on which they will prepare background verification report in just 2 minutes. Okay. People hindsight, they will expect immediate delivery, so that they will not wait for to complete your background verification more than 2 weeks. Okay. So that each and every background verification vendor, they created new background verification application. Nowadays background verification vendors going to use app. In the mobile phone itself, they're going to do your background verification. Only your UAN number is fair enough, based on which they will easily identify where you worked, really you relieved properly, have you extended your relieving date, have you edited your payslip, have you absconded or terminated if you did the dual employment. This app will detect immediately within 2 minutes. It will generate a report, based on which now MNCs and corporate companies utilizing this wonderful applications and preparing report immediately. So be aware of that, and if you want to more information, you can have consulting with me, and my mail ID and UPI ID available. Once done your payment, we will discuss further. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.